Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hope you all are fine. Before the lecture, make sure that you have your necessary stationery items and countdown book with you. Today our topic is addition. After the lecture, you will be able to understand the basic single digit addition, also add ones and two-digit numbers with carrying. Solve real-life number stories involving addition of two-digit numbers. You will be able to apply addition to word problems or everyday situations. Addition of two-digit numbers. Let's explain our lecture through different examples. For example, add 72 and 12. Remember students, हम जब भी एडिशन के सम्स करते हैं तो हमेशा वंस कॉलम से स्टार्ट करते हैं. In this example, the ones digit are 2 plus 2, that is 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now, in tens column, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. When we add 7 plus 1, the answer is 8. So the answer is 84. 72 plus 12 is 84. Now we will discuss the topic of addition involving in real life problems or sums. In our daily life situations, how the process of addition is involved. For example, in a cricket match, Shahid made 53 runs, Muiz made 41 runs. How many runs did they make all together? In first row, we will write 53. And in second row, we will write 41. We first add ones, that is 3 and 1. We add 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now we will add tens, that is 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. The answer is 94. We can say that both make 94 runs all together. Now, how to convert ones? Our question is 7 plus 8. As we know, the answer is 15. When we add 7 and 8, the answer will be 15. But we cannot put 15 in the ones column. The greatest number we can put in the ones column is 9. So we must change 15 ones into 1 10 and 5 ones. We will write our answer like this. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15, in which 1 in tens column and 5 in ones column. Do pages 28, 29 and 30 on your book, और आप इस सम्स की प्रैक्टिस अपनी रफ नोटबुक में भी डिफरेंट एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ कीजिए. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़. टेक केयर.